Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is Krishna Angaraka Chaturdasi. The Chaturdasi falling on a Tuesday of Krishna Paksham. Krishna Paksham Chaturdasi on a Tuesday. When this combination happens, Shastras tell that we have to perform a Yama Tarpanam. Tarpanam to Yama. దీపోత్సవ చతుర్దశ్యాం కార్యం చ యమతర్పణం కృష్ణాంగార చతుర్దశ్యాం అపి కార్యం తథైవ చ. సో ఆన్ ద నరక చతుర్దశి అండ్ ఆల్సో వెన్ ఎవర్ అంగారక చతుర్దశి of Krishna Paksha happens, it need to be the Yamatarpanam to be given. Dakshinabhimukho bhutva tilai savyam samahitah devatirthena devatvat tilai pretathipachyatah. So from the hand, if we leave the water like this, it is Pitrutirtham. If we go like this, it is Devatirtham. If we leave from here, this side, it is Rishi Tirtham. So three types of Tirtham can be left in the Tarpana. Tarpana is done with that. Devatirthena. So this Yamatarpanam to be done with facing south, with Danjam on the Savyam, on the right, proper way, as Devatirtham, the Tarpanam need to be performed. Normally, take a Achamanam, then Pranayama, then take the Sankalpa, saying that Sri Parameswara Prityartham, Deepotsav Chaturdasyam, or Krishnangarga Chaturdasyam, Yamatarpanam Karishye, then turn to the Dakshina. Then we have to do Yamam Tarpayami, Dharmarajanam Tarpayami, Mrutyum Tarpayami, Antakam Tarpayami, Vaivaswatam Tarpayami, Kalam Tarpayami, Sarva Bhuta Kshayam Tarpayami, Audumbaram Tarpayami, Dadham Tarpayami, Neelam Tarpayami, Parameshtinam Tarpayami, Vrukodam Tarpayami, Chitram Tarpayami, Chitraguptam Tarpayami. These are 14 names with which the Tarpana need to be performed. Iti Tarpayat. So to remember all the 14 names, there is a sloka given. Yamaya, Dharmarajaya, Mrutyavecha, Antakayacha, Vaivasvataya, Kalaya, Sarvabhuta Kshayayacha, Audumbaraya, Dadhnaya, Neelaya, Parameshtine, Rukodaraya, Chitraya, Chitraguptayate Namaha. So with these 14 names, Tarpanam need to be done and Namaskaram need to be done. It will help in overcoming any apamrutyu doshas and satisfying the Southern Lord Yama. Swasti.